Hello guys, and welcome on our YouTube channel ExcelXam. So today we are going to see how to construct a cross-tab analysis of ages and income. So we are going to see how ages and income can be correlated in a company. Now the first thing first you need to do is that you are going to drag the age field, okay, into the column label, and then for the, hope you are seeing, I'm going to reduce the zooming. So we are going to reduce or include the age into the column group, and then for the income we are going to include them into the rows and the values. Okay, so good. So as you can see, we have included, let me zoom in. Let me arrange it properly for you to appreciate. Good. So as you can see, we had a table based on the based on the ages and the incomes of these people. Now next thing to do is that, we are going to group this data. So what we need to do is that you click on the count values, and then you choose right click, and then you undergo the same procedure as usual, but this time around you are going to choose the percentage of row total. Click on OK, and then you are going to be generated a percentage of all the incomes of the people living in your area. Okay, so as you can see, you can actually appreciate the number of people or the ages related to the incomes. For example, the people aging from good. So the people aging from 12 to 21 years, or 2 to 11 years, okay, can see that they have 100% income. From 12 to 21 years they have a 0% income, okay, and so on and so on and so forth. So from here you can determine, or you can actually conclude that at this point that there is the person aging from 41 years to 32 years that are having the highest amount of income in your company. So this is how we do in order to or to construct a cross-tab analysis, of age and income. Okay, so we have come to the end of our video. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to share. So bye bye.